All right, question number 4 was doing geometry. We're actually going back into circles next week for myself. So I think if I remember this correctly, when we have these inscribed arcs here, if that's 84 degrees, then that means that angle is 84 degrees. So this was ACB. So I believe that's going to be 84 degrees, if I remember correctly. And then the same thing. So when you have that inscribed angle, like on here, because it's different when you have a central angle, that's going to be, the center angle is going to be double that angle, right? But if it's on the other, if you have an inscribed angle on the part of a circle, then that's going to be the same measure. Which that looks, doesn't really look that great, that 84 degrees. So I'm not sure. That B, C to D. So then this one would be 60 degrees, if I remember correctly. And then ACD. So ACD, well, that's just going to be the sum of those two. That doesn't look right. Because that'd be 140. That'd be, dang it, I don't remember my geometry. I'm gonna have to go back to this. I should have looked at this one before I did it. Figure FE is tangent to the circle, MA is 84, CA is 60, and CD, that's going to be 120. And yeah, they're going to add up to 360. ACB. I'm pretty sure, I could have swore that an inscribed angle. Unless somebody else is telling me different, then you can let me know, and then I'll go from there. I mean, I guess you don't have to go off of, you know what, I'm just going to go off of my memory, and somebody can always add into the correct in the comments. I believe that is 84 degrees. Although these would be all the same though. So, I mean, I guess that one would be 60 degrees, right? I'll go back and check it. And if I need to verify this or fix it, then I'll go back to it. So then ACD would be 144 degrees. Because that's your inscribed angle theorem, if I remember correctly. Right? If that's X, then that was going to be X, right? And then that would be 2X, if that's your central angle, if I remember correctly. So I'll have to go back. I thought I did, but now I'm second guessing myself. So I apologize for that. That's why I like to not do problems that I am not 100% confident on, because then I'll second guess myself when I start teaching or going live, and then I look like an idiot. But that's okay. I'll fix it if I made a mistake, and I do apologize.